Hi, I'm Anita from Coast of Maine Organic Soils, and we're here today in Lubec, Maine, creating a series of videos for our social media and our YouTube channel. So please take a look at those. We are in the process of creating a new product. You know, the succulent craze, I'm sure everybody is aware, they are everywhere. The best part about succulents and why they're so popular, they are really cute and super easy to take care of. So we're just going to plant up a little succulent bowl today. The soil, our new soil, Mount Desert, is it's got sand in it. So for calculus and succulents, you want to have something a little more gritty with some compost, of course, like all our other Coast of Maine soils, just to keep these succulents looking good for a very long time. They are very long-lived. Aloe. Aloe is one of my favorite plants, and if you don't know, it's a great one to have in the house because it gives back good air. It cleans your air for you. And if you somehow burn yourself in the kitchen, you can just snip off a piece and put the little aloe on your burn and it will disappear. These are the more common succulents that you'll be able to find at any local retailer. These are the little hen and chicks. They're adorable and they have babies. So you want to place it so it has room to grow and spread. This one is another type of hen and chicks. The cool thing about succulents is they need, as I said, very little care. So plants want to live. The ones that die are the ones that we overlove, and we tend to overlove by overwatering. So when you plant a little succulent garden, you don't want to water it very often. This is a little cactus. Look how cute that is. And all of these plants have basically the same requirements. They like sunlight and really well draining on the drier side of soil. So even though it may look dry on the surface, put your finger in, because chances are it's only dry on the surface and it's not going to be dry underneath. You really, really want to be careful with the watering on a succulent garden. But they're just so cute. They look good in a living room. They look good on a patio. They look good anywhere, even in a bedroom. And you know, you can never have too many houseplants because they do clean the air and help you breathe better. So succulents are a great way to introduce somebody to indoor plants. And they have cute little names and cute little, look at this. This looks like a little bottom. I think it is called the rock succulent. Looks like a rock. So adorable. We're going to give him his own little spot right there. He is really cute. And then more hens and chicks. Like I said, these are really readily available. Every nursery now sells succulents because they are super, super trendy for their simplicity. They make you have something green without putting a lot of work and care into it. So anybody can have a little succulent garden, and then we're going to water this in. And oh, the other thing, this is just a little insurance policy that you're not overwatering. This is just basic grit, which is beach sand. It's a little bit thicker, coarse material than play sand. So at the end, if you want to just sprinkle a little sand to give it a more desert look, and when you water, all this will disappear. And you can decorate if you'd like with some driftwood. Have fun. I mean, have fun with your succulent garden. Be creative, little rocks. It's an ornament for your house, and it's alive. Enjoy. Succulents are easy. Anybody can grow them, and they're cute and they're pretty.